The key to truly powerful character formatting is to use the font dialog box. In this quick tip, I show you two surefire ways to quickly display the dialog box you need. Most people know that you can format characters by using the tools on the Home tab of the ribbon. What most people don't know, however, is that the tools presented there are rather limited in nature. If you really want to access the full power of character formatting, then you'll want to discover the font dialog box. There are two quick ways to display the dialog box. The first step, though, is to select the characters that you want to format. So let's say that we want these characters formatted right here. We can go ahead and select some options up here. Again, they're very limited. Or we can select on the Home tab of the ribbon, and they're limited there as well. If you're a person who prefers the keyboard, you'll want to commit the Control-D shortcut to memory. One quick press, and the dialog box that you need is displayed on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and press the Escape key, though, to dismiss the dialog box, because if you're a person who prefers using the mouse, you can right-click on your text selection, and then you want to choose the font option right down here. When you do, the exact same dialog box pops into view, ready for you to use. At this point, you can use the controls in the dialog box to specify what formatting you want applied to the selected text. When you're done, click the OK button and the formatting changes are made. So there you have the quick tip in a nutshell. Use either Control-D or right-click your selected text and you can get to the powerful font dialog box. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. I know you'll use the font dialog box often, so the faster you can get there, the better. If you did find the tip helpful, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.